Hey everybody, I'm Andrew.
I'm Julie.
And together we're 324 Weekly TV. We're your source for news, reviews, and tips you can use about mindfulness and meditation.
This is a big, giant experiment. We don't know what we're doing.
Well, we know we're doing one thing,
We-
and that we know that there is an opportunity to bring different content.
Yeah.
You know, we mentioned, if you watched our first show, you saw that, or we mentioned that we are in the business of mindfulness and meditation. So we do look at it from a business perspective, but there's a real opportunity to help from a consumer advocacy, consumer information. That's why we call it news, reviews, and tips you can use. It's not about practices.
No.
So we're not
about
going to
teaching, not about practice.
We're not to teach you. We're not to suggest to you, gee, you should go this or do that.
Nothing.
We're here to report what is happening. We're here to introduce you to the people that are behind what's happening. We're here to give you some tips
Right.
on how you might be able to get the best out of what you're doing based on our experience. But in order to do that, we felt we needed an experiment. And the experiment is really around the content feedback. Give us lots of comments. We're also putting a survey together. So there's a content survey that you'll find the link in the at the end of this video. And at the conclusion of the 5 different episodes that we put up, that we hope you're going to watch all 5, and then be able to give us feedback via the survey as to what you liked, what you didn't like, and if there's anything else that perhaps we haven't thought of.
We just want to hear from you what you found, what you haven't found, how we could maybe help be part of that search.
And this is community building, so this is your channel for you. We just want to deliver the content that you guys want to watch. And to do that, be sure to comment in the comment section below. And if you like us, by all means, please follow us. And in addition, you might want to ring the bell. The bell will tell you when our next show is, and we'll introduce you to new and different topics and new and exciting people. We're really excited to do this. We just see a great opportunity.
We do. We just see it's a really good way to help.
So hopefully you see it too. You like us, you come back, tell your friends about us, and until then,
It's 324 Weekly.
see you later.
See you later.